In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal entry using Intuit's QuickBooks. This process is a handy skill for anyone managing accounting tasks regularly, as journal entries are an essential part of bookkeeping, allowing you to record transactions that might not fit squarely into your usual categories. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your internet browser and log into your QuickBooks account. Once you're in, direct yourself to the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll want to locate and select the Accounting tab. This will lead you into the hub of your financial records. On this page, you should see a menu bar at the top that provides several options. Look for the one labeled Chart of Accounts. Clicking this will grant you access to a detailed list of all the accounts that make up your financial framework in QuickBooks. However, what we're interested in today is not just exploring this list, but adding new data through a journal entry. Next, find the button that reads Create New or simply New. It's usually highlighted and easy to spot, either above or just next to your list of accounts. Clicking on New will prompt a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Journal Entry. Once you're in the journal entry page, you might feel a tad overwhelmed if it's your first time. Don't worry though, it's simpler than it looks. You'll see several fields, but the main ones you'll focus on are the date and the areas under accounts. First, make sure the date reflects when the transaction occurred, not just today's date. This is crucial for accuracy in your financial statements. Under the Accounts section, you'll enter the accounts that are affected by this transaction. Typically, you'd have at least two, one account being debited and the other credited. For example, say you're recording a purchase, you might debit your expense account and credit your cash or bank account. Once you've chosen the accounts, enter the debit amount beside the respective account and the credit amount beside the other. Notice that QuickBooks calculates as you enter, so your debits and credits need to balance before proceeding. When everything looks correct, there's a Save and Close button at the bottom of the page. Click this and your journal entry is added directly to the ledger, making it part of your financial records. And there you have it. You've successfully created a journal entry in QuickBooks. Remember, double-checking all entries for accuracy is key to maintaining reliable books. Feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a refresher or a step-by-step guide.